Once again, good afternoon, everybody. I welcome you to our training for today. Thank you so much for attending. Uh, Allow me to start this meeting. Others will just find us along the way.
So, if you can hear me very well, I would love to share my screen with you. So, give me a minute.
Yes, we can hear you. You'll be using about 5 to 10 minutes, please.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. So, we are currently at the CashTelex exchange platform. So, which you see a lot of direction, trade, finance, services, and all that. So, but to start for beginners, just go to sign in. So after signing up, the next thing is if you want to order for your CashTelex coins. So the next phase is you sign in. But if you look at the flash of if you are very conversant with PowerPoint presentation, you will see some slide coming and going. So it's telling you at a flash, like if you see this where my cursor is, we have CTLX and Bitcoin. When you pair them, so the current price of CTLX now is 0.0025. So when you convert it to USDT, is $0.06. So that is telling you how the market is. So, but if you want to go in to trade, you click sign in. So when you click sign in, it takes you to the next page. The next page shows login to your account. So sign in with your email. And another thing I want to bring to our attention is, I actually didn't meet up when CapTelex started. So you can sign up with any of your account that you have. You might have a Yahoo account or any. So like for me, I sign up with my Yahoo account. So you clearly see abiamuhib@yahoo.com. My sign-in password is already there because I programmed my CashTelex exchange to just automatically bring up my email and my password anytime I sign in. So it's displaying my email address and my programmed password. So the next thing you see is the cap chart. So the cap chart, you can visibly see that it's W, it's cap sensitive. So you use capital caps, not lower uppercase. Sorry, you use uppercase, which we have WONGL. So once you are sure that what you type is correct, you click sign in. So I don't know if Captain Ilbas told you during when he was trying to tell you how to sign up. You must download a Google Authenticator that you are going to synchronize with your account. So if you have that, so you just go to your phone and generate the Google Authenticator password from your Google Authenticator app that you have on your phone. So which I'm going to generate now. So I'm having I'm having 3F343 4. So if you're sure that you're correct, you click on verify. So upon clicking on verifying, it's correct, then it takes me to the next page. So when it takes you to the next page, you see a lot of so many things that some persons, once they go to any exchange, I see so many wordings, they get confused, like, wow, how will I begin? It's simple, very, very simple. Most times you go to what will I even call it? the actual place you want to carry out transaction. Like if you don't have any business to do with finance or services or CashTelex assets and all that, so what you want to do is trade. So you go to trade. But before you trade, before you carry out any trade, you must have a Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency coin. But for me, since I've started carry out trade on CashTelex, I've always been using Bitcoin because it's more reliable and more easy to transact with, So most times I transfer the Bitcoin from my Binance account to which, as I said, maybe in future we would teach our co-investor how to buy BTC directly from Binance. It's cheaper than using some other exchange, So if you are sure that you have BTC in your account, so first thing you do here is you go to this trade. When you go to trade, you'll see two wordings like classic and advanced. So for now, we're not using advanced on CashTelex exchange. We're only using classic. So you click on classic. Okay, sorry, I was supposed to tell you the learning objective or what I'm training you on. Basically, I'm going to train you on how the first thing was how to sign in, which I've done. Then the second thing is how you can place an order, place a trade on the CashTelex exchange. So this is what I'm doing now, how you can place your order. Either you want to buy or you want to deposit. So, but for a new investor, what he or she's going to be doing is to buy. So if, let's say, you've sent in your BTC or other coins that you may have to the exchange. So the next thing is you have to look at the markets. This section that is showing red is people that are selling. So if you look at the prices from the bottom here, is the current price we have that has been listed on the exchange. So you will see this CTLX and BTC. That is the only coins that we are pairing now on the exchange. So you see it CTLX and BTC, which is selling for so amount of CTLX, which in dollar you have 0.065. So in every exchange, you will see the highest price and the lowest price at which they are selling or at which the particular assets, maybe Bitcoin or BNB or Dash, is being sold. So now the highest price is 0.00225 and the lowest point is still the same price. But in some exchange, you might see low might be lower than that. So that is a range. But for this, is the same price. So now, if you have some CTLX in your wallet, like I have some CTLX, now I have like around 1,000 CTLX, and when you look at it in dollars, which is $13,000, but as the prices of CTLX increases, my value of what I have in the exchange increases too. So you see, I don't have any Bitcoin here. So if let's say I have a Bitcoin, I will show you, but I will still demonstrate how you can trade with the Bitcoin. So let me go back to this region. So you have the current price at which someone is selling. So somebody want to sell. Look at where my cost on is. 98,000. Now is it now around 86,805? Yeah, something like that. So somebody want to sell this amount of CTLX at this price. Then if you have this quantity of Bitcoin, so just come here and buy. Or if you don't even have this quantity of Bitcoin, but you want to buy at this price, once you place your order, automatically it's going to take from some of the Bitcoin here because somebody is placing to sell at this price, to sell some BTC, to sell some CTLX. Then while some other persons are placing it at higher price, which is, you see it 0.028, then it goes upward. Then at this green section, it's showing that these are the people that wanted to buy. So if you want to buy, you can set your price. You can set the price you want to buy. So like for now, somebody's set that is going to buy at 0. Let me see how many zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you go to the price that is being listed on our exchange for the current price of CTLX, let me see how many zeros right here. 1, 3, this is 5. So this is more higher than the value, the price that somebody wants to buy. So somebody place an order that you want to buy at this rate. Then at this rate, for this amount of BTC that he has gotten, because you must have your BTC, as I said. So he has this amount of BTC that he has placed the order against the total number of CTLX that he's going to acquire. If peradventure somebody want to sell, so if somebody want to sell from this red region now at this price, so automatically this person will get this total amount of CTLX in his account. Then some other person place this price 0. For this amount of BTC that he or she has in his account. Then for this number of CTLX 3,000 and all that, then the same thing is applicable to these other holders. So now, if you want to buy and sell, so these are the areas where you see buy CTLX. It means you can place your order to buy, while this one is sell. So assuming I have some Bitcoin in my account, you will see the total amount of Bitcoin will be reflecting here. You see total amount, total Bitcoin will be reflecting here. Then I can place my price at any price that I feel like I want to buy. Like the way these people over here has actually placed their order that they want to buy. So because I don't have any Bitcoin, so I've just demonstrated that you could place the price at which you want to buy against the total number of BTC that you have in your account. Then once you put the price at which you want to buy here, you put the price here. The total number of BTC, CTLX that is going to give you is going to display it here. Once you place the order, you put your price that you want to buy, like the way these people did. You put the price here, then it will be against the amount of BTC you have in your wallet. Then to show you the total number of CTLX that price can acquire, then you click buy. So automatically when you click buy, it will prompt it to display your order. So, but let me use the sell because I have 200 something thousand CTLX in my account currently. So let's say I want to sell. I want to sell at a very higher price, which we're praying that CTLX would get to that price. So let's say I want to sell at yeah, let me do 300. Then automatically, if you notice any changes in what was there before, so okay, this is the price. You can set the price and even the amount that you want to sell. So if I set the price now and I say, okay, how many quantity of the CTLS I want to sell? Let's say I want to sell 5,000. So I've actually placed an order that I want to sell CTLX quantity of 5,000 at this price 0.00. So now automatically it has shown me how much of BTC I'm gonna get from this order that I've placed. So which is 15.00 BTC. So if I'm okay with that, but be very careful when you're selling. you can do the maths in your head. Like, okay, if I'm selling 5,000 now, if you want to be sure of what you're doing, I have a balance of 106,000 and all that. So definitely is a very correct order, no mistakes. Because if you had this and all that, it's going to give me my balance or the actual total number of CTLX that I have in my account. So I'll click on sell. So sell. You will notice that you hear a sound because I activated my sound listen on the exchange. So it has prompted me that okay, an order has been made for me to sell. So it's supposed to okay. So when you go down your page, can you all see my screen? So it has shown me the detail of my order. This is the time that actually plays the order at 14:46 Nigerian time. So what is the type of order? Is ask. That is, I'm asking that I want to sell. So you see it is color coded red, then 5,000 and all that. So this is it. Then if I want to change my mind that I'm not selling again due to the fact that I know CTLX is the future, and I know that very soon it will be greater than BTC. So it will not be wise for me to sell my CTLX. Even as at now, I'm looking for how I'm going to get it up to like 500,000. Or if I have money, take it up to like 1 million. So because I know the future is CashTelex. So I'm going to cancel the order. So you can cancel all. So once you click on cancel all, it's going to prompt you a page that will show you, are you sure you want to cancel the order or you leave it? So you just press cancel. You press OK. So it has, you have no open orders. That means the order has been canceled.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mahib. For now, let's call it a day. We're going to continue from where you've stopped in the next training. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah.